All right, so when it comes to their Telegram community, you can see that the day that they made their post on their community is July 12th, and since then they haven't made any post again. So when they try to open their airdrop here, you can see that they are saying airdrop is calculating. All right, so if you see my calendar over here, you can see that it has actually logged with just 4 days for the listing of the Bitcoin, and we haven't had any important news concerning their listing date. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you what and how the Wcoin must prepare themselves in order for us to trust them, because they have been promising their users several times that they're actually going to be released on a particular date, and yet they keep postponing. So in this video, we are actually going to be talking about this their listing date that they are talking about, whether they are actually going to postpone or they are actually going to give us airdrop. So if you're interested in video like this, then kindly do me a favor by smashing the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. So let's dive into the all right, so when it comes to their Telegram community, you can see that the day that they made their post on their community is July 12th, and since then they haven't made any post again. So when they try to open their airdrop here, you can see that they are saying airdrop is calculating, and we have been waiting for several times for them to calculate the allocation for us to know. Still, the airdrop is being calculated, and you can see by now they should have positioned themselves very well in order to reveal the exchange that they are actually going to be listing. If you agree with me, you can actually comment down below. And if what I'm saying is actually legit, you can also comment down below, because at this moment they should have positioned themselves in order to reveal the exchange that they are actually going to be listing for us to trust them, because this project over here has been promising us several times and they have failed their users several times. So I'm actually going to dive into further details on whether they are actually going to be listing on 27th or not. So let's see what is here. So first of all, click on this box section over here. All right, so you can see that when you scroll down over here, you can see that claim close, airdrop calculating started. So we have been waiting since for several days, and we haven't seen any airdrop allocation for us to claim our token. By now they should have even all right, so you can see that by now we should have even claimed our token and waiting for the exchange that are actually going to be listing. So let's go to the community and let me show you two things over there.